Hi guys, this is Lego Supersonic, and I wanted to show you how to make a Sonic out of Lego, and these are all the pieces you need. So first you start out with this Clone Trooper body, stick these peach arms on, and these white gloves onto them. And then take these white pieces right here, blue, and stick them for the legs. Take this piece right here and stick it on the back like that. Take another one, take this piece and stick it on the back like that. Now you take this head with the side mouth, stick it on, take this blue cap, stick it on backwards. And that's how you make a Supersonic. And my Warhog will be the next video, and bye.